Zaldico, hindi naman nag-resign, tinanggal siya.
Even if meron siyang in-announce na he's resigning for, or stepping down for health reasons?
Hindi, tinanggal talaga siya.
Alam niyo po ba sinong nagtanggal?
Nag-move si Congressman Sandro Marcos, di ba? Nag-move siya to declare vacant yung chairmanship ng Appropriations Committee.
At that time po ba, because kami nanonood lang, I personally assume that it was declared vacant because Congressman Zaldico had already resigned by then. Hence, the motion to declare it vacant. Or hindi pa po siya nag-resign at that time?
Mukhang hindi naman nag-resign eh. Nagsabi lang siya na meron siyang health problems, pero hindi siya nag-resign.
And what do you make of this? Meaning, kung nag-step down na si Kong Zaldico as chairman for appropriations, do you think there should still be liability left for those who are left in the leadership?
Dito, since nung nangyari yung crime, Zaldico was the chairperson of the Appropriations Committee. Of course, perfected na yung crime by then. So, liable pa rin siya kahit na sino yung pumalit. But si Congresswoman Kimbo was quick in saying